Hey, what's up folks? It's Dave here again, and today it's another trading session, but today will be spicy. Yeah, we're going aggressive today, really aggressive. 30-second expires, 3,000 per trade, and full multi-time frame analysis I talk about in previous video. You can check on this channel. M30, M15, M1 and S5 will just help us to make some extra profit. Check my Telegram channel, it's so much good things there. And today, just enjoy this session. I will trade really aggressive. Boom! Let's do the trading time. Let's go. They're scanning the market across 4 time frames. It will be M30, M15, M1 and S5, looking for a clear trend, same as the last video where I explained this strategy in full. It's called multi-frame analysis. It's a good tip. Yeah, the price usually moves like this: impulse sideways, reversal or reverse. And yeah, right now I see a sideways zone here, but actually I also can see this kind of uptrend. Here we can see the sideways on M30. We're looking for Australian dollar, New Zealand dollar. Here is more looks like a sideways going uptrend. Yeah, let's find something more clear. Yeah, that's interesting. Kind of new uptrend. Let's draw some horizontal lines with the price levels. It will help us to see picture more clear. Because aggressive trading, the first thing, it's preparation. And after this, do your thing, do your stuff. Okay, let's check M15 now and M1 after we set up the lines. Let's check M15. Okay. And yeah, and we also need to check on M1 to confirm upward pressure. Yeah, it's time to open first trade. It will be buy for 3,000. Let's go to S5, and it's even good for us. Yes, let's go for first trade. Buy 3,000. It's volatile, you can see, but we will focus on bigger picture on M30 and M15. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. My favorite sound. Good profit, first profit. I like to start trades with profit, that's give you more confidential, give you more energy to trade. Let's do next one. Here, I think that the trend will reverse here, but let's check what's happening in one. I'm not sure about this one. It's actually loss. Well, let's go next.
Sometimes maybe good, sometimes maybe shit.
6,000 buy position now. If this break, we can catch a solid move. And there's the breakout. The breakout confirmed on S5, 5-second candle. Boom, good. Okay, let's go next. Another one, downward trend, because here is the breakout or it's not. And after this, we will already think about next trade. Let's check on S5, what's going on. Yeah, it's breakout, guys. Let's go for 6,000 buy position. One loss is nothing. Let's go. Price still rising, you can see, that's good. It's very strong. I even will add another 6,000 in this trade. We're going good. Yeah, 11,520. Boom! Great one. Let's go next. Let's change the pair. Quick scan. On M30, we're scanning pairs just on M30. Remember this is important. And after this, if we choose the pair with good trend, with good zones, we start to scan it with different time frames. Canadian dollar, Japanese yen. Wow, so beautiful, so beautiful. I love my work for this, guys. Beautiful downward trend. Maybe it can be upward, but we need to wait. We need to wait. Let's go to another one. Here will be a sideways, 100%. Okay, let's go Euro USD. Let's go Euro USD, one of my favorites. Yeah. That looks good. That looks solid. Let's draw some horizontal lines on the levels. Guys, I need extra money. I just withdraw about 15k from last session. Just planning a new trip. Need some tickets, bookings, hotels. Hey, so much spendings in this world, guys. It's no time to be lazy. It's time to make money more and more every day. Like work. Work. Okay, what can I say about this pair? It's downward trend. It even looks like a bit sideways, but to be honest, I see the downward pattern and I'm planning to make some profit here. And let's open sell downward trade for 3,000. If you want to learn more about the strategy, go to a previous video. I explain a lot of good things there. Even more things in my Telegram channel. Just check. Okay, guys. Boom. That's profit. As you can see, we predict the trend. It's downward. And another one. And I will add another one. Why not? Yeah. Minus multiplicator for 9,000. Let's go downward. Because the bigger picture is downward. That's why I open here. The trend is too strong. It's too strong. Let's open big trade. Big one. Sometimes you need to be aggressive. Better hear them in life. Okay. Profit. Good. We cover losses. And boom. Big one.
Easy money!
Important win. Guys, 23k. Phew. Come on. Okay, let's stay calm. Let's see what's going on here. I'm still thinking it's a downward trend. After sideways, it's supposed to be. Then let's go to S5 and open another trade for sell position for 3,000 just to check. No indicators use it today, just clean multi-time frame execution and our experience going good. This trade going good. Yeah. Profit, good. Let's open another one for 6,000. It's good to be in a rhythm, you know, when you trade, just feel the pair. If you feel the pair, just trade with this. Remember the risk management, the money management rules, trend, you need to see on a bigger picture M30, M15 and trade on S5. This is my rules. Okay, it's another profit, good. Let's go to M30 and see the bigger picture. Let's double check with couple of indicators what's going on. Stochastic show us a normal picture, good picture we can trade. Let's check RSI for overbought and oversold zones. We in the middle, we good. It's not dangerous. Let's catch this downward trend. Let's check M1. It's okay. It's okay. Even this green candle, but on the bigger picture is downward trend. So I will sell. I'm a bear today. 6,000. I need money. I want to see new countries, guys. I want to see new people, meet new people, maybe new business partners. Who knows? I need money for this. 3k, another 3k. As you can see, the downward trend really strong today. We found a good pair, Euro USD. Yes, another profit, and another trade for 6,000. I think next week I will withdraw a bit more money. If you want me to make the video, leave the comments. But you already have video on this channel. Let's trade another 6,000. I'm too confident with this downward trend. I'm too confident. You see? I told you this strategy work. Another profit. Let's wait for this 6K. I will open another for 12 because it's good entry point. Good entry point. Really work. Feel myself like Picasso or I don't know, like Salvador Dali, whatever you like. When you see these just two colors, green and red, and you work with these colors, boom, nice profit. Wow, guys, I'm so happy. Hey guys, and that's it for today. What a session, aggressive trades, sharp timing, clean structure. This is what multi-time frame trading is all about. 36K in profit. 36K in profit, guys. If you want to see more breakdowns like this and get access to exclusive setups and insights I don't post publicly, Telegram channel, my Telegram channel, the links in the description. Go there, smash the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next video. It will be spicy. Peace.